The first app in our list is Honeygain. This app gives you $3 sign up bonus. Sign up with my link in the description and you will be rewarded $3. This app pays you for using your unused internet bandwidth. All you need is just download the app and create a completely free account and start making money today. This does not interrupt or slow your internet connection. The more you open the app in the background, the more money you will earn. The minimum payout threshold of the app is $20. So download the app and start making money today. You can also make money through referrals. When your friend withdraws its first $20, you will be rewarded with $5. Let's move towards the second app in our list. If you love making money by completing simple surveys, then this is the right place for you. The name of the website is Prime Opinion. It also has an app which you can download from your app store. Open the app and create a completely free account. You will get 100 coins sign up bonus, which is equal to $1. The minimum payout threshold of the app is 500 coins, which means $5. You can make money by completing simple surveys. You can also make money by playing games. And you can also make money through referrals. You get 10% of your friend's survey reward. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal and even gift cards. The next app in our list is Ysense. It is one of the oldest and legit survey websites. It is almost available in all countries in the world. Create a completely free account by entering your email and complete your profile. You can make money by completing simple surveys. When you complete a survey, it unlocks other surveys. You can also make money by playing games and completing different offers. You can also make money through referrals. A referral is a good way to earn some passive income. You can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, and even gift cards.